To proceed, open the File Manager on your mobile device. After opening the File Manager, you will see an interface displaying various files. For example, on my phone, I can see 2 APK files. Locate the desired APK file, such as PixArt, and click on it. Once you click on the APK, you will see a prompt with an interface asking for permissions. If the system blocks the installation, navigate to your phone's settings. In the Settings menu, find and enable the option Allow Apps from this source. Once enabled, return to the previous screen. Now, you will see the Install button. Tap on it to begin the installation process. You can observe the installation progress on your screen. Once the installation is complete, the app will be ready to use. For example, as soon as the installation of PixArt is finished, you can see that the app is successfully installed and ready to launch.